Instead of having to wait 2 weeks for a $1,000 paycheck, I got it in a day. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katera Lachey. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We are here to become a big happy family, okay? So if you haven't already, subscribe. If you're coming back, hey honey, how you been doing? How's everybody in your family doing? Tell them your cousin Katera said hey. Today I just want to talk about how I literally made $1,000 in one day from one digital product. I want to add, this was a low ticket digital product. This really just goes to show that you don't have to sell like these big $500,000-$600,000 courses. You just have to have the right strategy. So if you're not familiar with me, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I started an online business in 2023 selling digital products, and it wasn't always like this. Like, I didn't always have days where I literally made $1,000. I don't always have days where I make $1,000. I mean, it's up and down with any business. But I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys how it is a possibility and how you guys can get started with this too. When I got started with this back at the end of 2023, I didn't have the right strategy. It was really just me just throwing and shooting blanks out there and just expecting people to buy my product. As time went on, as I learned more strategies, as I was more strategic with how I presented myself online and how I stayed consistent, that is when I started to see growth and results. But honestly, y'all, I know some people say like when you sell lower ticket products, you kind of like sell yourself short, but it just depends on what the product is. I made $1,000 in one day, and it was this month, y'all, from my Amazon ebook, my Amazon influencer ebook. And it comes with a community where I'm helping you guys get into the Amazon influencer program and helping you guys leverage it, because I got paid a pretty penny from the Amazon influencer program in December. So I wanted to create that ebook. It was something that I wrote myself. It was not a PLR digital product, all my own knowledge and expertise into one guide in a community so that, you know, people can ask questions. And if you guys want to join that, the link is in the description. Literally $1,000 from this one ebook. You can literally sell anything online and see results like this, but it all comes into like your price point, because if you don't want to have to sell a lot, then of course you want to price it higher. But if you're okay with making, you know, or you know that you can get a lot of people to buy, then of course price it at a lower price point, because there's pros and cons to pricing things at lower price points. The con is, of course, you have to work a little bit harder to reach your income goals. But the pro is that a lot more people will be more interested, because a lot of people don't have just the money to fork out $500 for a product. So I created this product on Canva. I really took my time with it. I listened to my audience, and then I built anticipation. So I was making videos on my TikTok account telling people about how Amazon had generated me income. And then I had people join a wait list. Now, once they join the wait list, that is when I was just sending more emails, giving them more information about the program, how there's so many different opportunities within that one program, and just how you can essentially start seeing and generating income from it. Once they join that email list, I had a launch day. So if you're on my wait list, I ran a special for $17 on my wait list. Now, of course, everyone didn't purchase, few people did, but that was not the day I made $1,000. So what I did was, once I made those first few sales, I had my first few people inside my community, and you know, I got them results. That is when I hopped on TikTok live, because y'all, I'm so glad they didn't get rid of that app, because it is so powerful. But I hopped on TikTok live, ran a live sale while I was sitting on live, and that is how I got my $1,000 day right here. Now, of course, this wasn't all 1,000, because some people paid through Cash App or Venmo because their card wasn't working. I guess it was some people trying to buy at the same time. It just wasn't going through. So they sent their payment other ways. But this was the day. Like I said, I ran a live sale on TikTok, and honestly, y'all, I was like running so many different sales. Like, I didn't really have a specific price point, but the main price point that I kind of stayed at, or I like peaked at, was $25. And so I feel like what made this very successful for me was that, for one, TikTok was getting ready to shut down. Like, the last day that TikTok was going down, I was on live making more sales, and I was really pissed because I was in the middle of a live. I was going hard. And then someone in Malaysia was like, hey, TikTok is shut down in the US. I'm like, how are you talking to me right now if it's shut down? They were like, I don't know. But my friend just told me that TikTok is shut down for everyone in the US. So I was really pissed, but I feel like it made it successful because I was telling people, like, you know, TikTok is unreliable. We know Amazon isn't going anywhere. We know they're not going to get rid of that app. So why not get on a platform to where you can generate income from and learn from someone who has been successful at it, trying to figure out what's next for you. Like, go ahead and get yourself set up. And so creating a product that solves a problem, creating a product that helps people from point A to point Z, and also giving them access to my community, I feel like it's what really sold it for them. So this just goes to show y'all, like, you don't have to sell these high ticket, high dollar things to make money online. You can sell almost anything if it solves a problem for other people. This is what I help my mentees with. I help them come up with products that solve a problem for their audience, and I help them market with social media. Because I know, of course, everyone does not have access to go live, and that's okay. You don't have to have access to go live. You can also sell through your content, which is what I was doing beforehand, and it is what I continue to do. Do I think TikTok Live helped me leverage my sales? Yes. Am I going to get on Instagram now to kind of, utilize that in my stories? Yes, because we need to diversify the ways that we are selling our products. But a $1,000 day is not a stranger to me, and it is surely not a stranger to you. All you have to do is get started. Now, if you want someone to help you get started, all you gotta do is click in the description, join my mentorship, and I can definitely help you. Do not be afraid. Send me a message if you want, clarity before you hop into something. But I'm telling you, do not sit around in 2025 knowing that things like this are possible. I'm a stay-at-home mom, y'all. This is what I do. This is what I do. Instead of having to wait 2 weeks for a $1,000 paycheck, I got it in a day. Less than 24 hours, actually. Not like, that's insane. $1,000 in 3 or 4 hours. But you can do this as well, y'all. Like, you can do it. So if you have any questions, put them down in the comments, y'all. Like, I'm always here to answer questions for you guys, to help you guys get started. If you're ready to get started, say, Katera, sister, I am ready. Help me, please. But literally, like, I am here to help you. Like I said, join my mentorship. I can help you. $1,000 days are no stranger. They are no strangers for you. It is in your future if you haven't achieved that already. Because as long as you know that something is there for you, as long as you know that something is going to happen for you, it's going to happen. So if you haven't already, go ahead and give your girl a follow. I am here to give y'all the tea. I'm here to give y'all the gems. Seriously, it is time for us to live our dream life in 2025. So if you're on that journey, if you're wanting to get started, subscribe, comment, tell me you need help. I am here for you. I'm here. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.